Hi, today we have a popular size nightstand made of medium density fiberboard or MDF. I have designed it with bevel cuts, which are angled cross cuts, in this case 45 degree. You can also see this modern round light above this Ficus Elastica in my page. And don't forget to subscribe me. Now I'm going to explode it to give you a better vision. Just watch out for exact 90-degree angles and same diameter for each part. Raw materials are 16mm and 5mm MDF beside a pair of drawers runners and wood glue. Dimensions and more guidance are available in the plan. Yeah, finished. Enjoy the plan.